park, there is the beautiful me. Chunam dragons, chunam body want to go. League is a best league of the world.
Yeah, Parkyunta is best forever. Chunam Dragons is best forever.
Chu! No!
Dragons!
For everyone is the best team of world, and this is so my Chunam Dragons me but they want to live but
Yeah. Chunam Dragons is best forever. Chunam Dragons is best forever. Parkyunta is Straker is the best of Kile Ague. Chunam Dragons
and
Dragons.
Parkyunta has got everything is blue, and this is my Spiele on my kveče si svojí čivavu. Protože to má na Twitteru Parkyunta. Taky štětně má velký ušní dřeně, protože Paky je to nejlepší.
Na talíři chutná velmi skvěle, proto si to dává každý večer. Tohle je teď velký konec. It's the best of Paky. Oh, goodbye.
United! United!